I am Aiza Ali and you are watching Saiban News HD. News ads from Sialkot, where literary prize distribution ceremony organized by Pakistan Literary Forum was organized at Hilton City, Sialkot. In the event organized by this society, people belonging to different departments who rendered valuable services in their respective fields wrote various research articles and gave book form to poetry, fiction, novel and Islamic literature. Awards and certificates were given to these book owners. Chief guest of the event, Mr. Professor Dr. Ghulam Abbas Gondal, former Dean Humanities and Arts, Sargodha University, and Mr. Dr. Muhammad Yaqub Bishwi was the founder of Al Mustafa International University, Iran. Shahid Mr. Mir Advocate High Court former civil judge Mr. Adnan Safdar Sahib made a special appearance. The speakers said that Aini Malik, a young writer who wrote her first poem Akash at just 12 years old, Jal Bhi Chuke Parwane, is a novel based on Sri Lankan manager Parantha Kumara, who was burnt alive in a Sialkot factory. The novel is a unique novel of its kind which has been written with humanity as its subject, and for this two cities of Pakistan have made regularly researched. Aini Malik was given a certificate of appreciation and an award for the best writer for this novel. Apart from this, guests from different cities and provinces participated in a great way. The program was well received by the tireless efforts of the event management. Chairman PLF Dr. Nasir Ahmad Asad included in the administration, Central General Secretary Pakistan Mr. Muhammad Abid Advocate, Secretary Punjab Mr. Mia Faryuddin, Masood Burhani participated.
For more updates and news, like and subscribe our channel Saiban News HD.